Today we're making homemade washing powders. With just a few ingredients, you can make your own. It'll help you save money and time. Let me show you how.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video, we're going to be making homemade washing powders. We're going to make like the dry version this time. The last time, a couple months ago, I made the liquid washing powders and showed y'all how to do that. You have to have the 5-gallon bucket, you put your ingredients in it, mix it, let it sit overnight, and it'll gel, and then you remix it again. And I still have some of it, but I'm almost giving out. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like after I'm almost down to the end of my bucket actually. So I'm going to make the dry version this time just so I can share a different recipe with y'all. It's almost the same, it's just a dry version instead of the liquid. Now this is what our homemade washing powders look like whenever you make it into the liquid version. And it does gel, like I said, and then you just remix it, and then from then on, it will not gel again. If it does, you just give it a little mix, and that's all you got to do. But I do have quite a bit of this maybe left, probably like a half a bucket, but we're getting low. So today, I'm going to make the dry version and show y'all how to do the powder washing detergent. Let's get started. Now to make your homemade washing powders, these are the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to use some borax, some super washing soda, some baking soda, some OxyClean or bar soap, and we're going to use some Epsom salt. And then we're going to add just a little bit of our Gang fabric boosters in it to give it a good scent. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our bar of soap grated. And this is what we're using. I'm going to grade the whole bar of this soap into a fine grade and get it started. You can use Zope soap. It comes in white or pink with fragrance or not fragrance. But today we're using this one. Mixing mine up in this little trash bag right here. And then we'll add it to our jar once we have all our ingredients mixed together. The first thing we're going to do is just start grading our bar of soap. And I'm going to put this whole bar of soap in my washing powders. Now these washing powders work great if your husbands work outside or have a job that they get a lot of grease on their clothes. This stuff right here will take that grease right out of those work clothes. And it also works great for kids' clothes. The ones that get out there and get all those grass stains all over them. This right here, I get those grass stains out of those knees on them blue jeans. Okay. Now we have our whole bar of our soap grated up. And I like grading it like that because look how fine it gets it. That way it gets all in your laundry soap real good. Okay. Now we've mixed a little bit of the Gain scented beads into 1 cup of Epsom salt. The Epsom salt will help soften your clothes. So we're going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of Epsom salt. And this right here tells you on here it's great for stains and all laundry. So we're going to add 1 cup of this cleaner in our washing powders. So that will help fight those tough stains also. And if you don't want to add that, you can leave it out. And we're going to add 1 cup of baking soda. Now the baking soda will help take those odors out of your clothes. And now we're going to add 1 cup of our washing soda. And it's made by Arm & Hammer. You can find it in the laundry section right next to your borax. So we're going to add 1 cup of the washing soda. And now we're going to add 1 cup of borax. Now this right here is your laundry booster. This works great for all laundries. And I like to even use this when I'm doing a load of white clothes. I'll add like a 1/2 cup of this just in with my whites, and you won't believe how much brighter white this right here can get your white clothes. So we're going to add 1 cup of this. And now I'm going to add just a few more of these Gain scented beads, just because I want this to have a real good scent to it. Now if you wanted to, you could add any kind of essential oil to it also, like lavender, lemon, or whatever you have. But we're going to do like a 1/2 cup more of these beads. I had some mixed in my Epsom salt, but on the top I want to mix this, and now I'm going to mix them all together. I dropped one. Now these right here are great to add into your homemade laundry scent boosters, like to make a scent booster just for your laundry if you're having a load, or some towels that need to have the bad odor to them, like they get like a mildew smell to them. You can add these to your towels and they'll come out smelling amazing. So now we're just going to take our trash bag and we're just going to sort of mix all this together. And I used this bag, that way I didn't have to use something that I would have to wash, and it would make it loose enough to mix all these ingredients together good. Or if you had like a gallon Ziploc bag, you could use it. Okay, so now let's look at it, that we got it all mixed, and you can see using that trash bag helps you be able to mix it better. See how it's all blended together now? Now I have just a few little clumps of either my washing soda or my borax, and I'm just going to take this little wooden spoon and just give them a little tap, and it just mixes it right in. But this right here, when you're using this, you'll only add like 2 tablespoons of this laundry soap to your load of laundry. So this right here will last us for like probably 2 months. We're going to use this jar right here to store ours in. You can use any kind of container that you have. And you can get all of these ingredients in your laundry aisle, like at Walmart, or probably like Ingles or anywhere that sells products to do your laundry. And now I'll just put my little scooper in this. We'll put the lid on it. We'll put us a tablespoon in there, and I'll do 2 tablespoons of our laundry soap for each load. Y'all ought to give this a try. I bet you it'll help you save a lot of money. Okay, y'all, I hope you like our video on how to make homemade washing powders. And don't forget to check out our video on our homemade washing liquid we made a while back.
if you like a liquid version. But today, we made the dry version. I hope y'all like our video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.